Intro. And hi guys, how's it going? I'm so glad you popped in today. I am still working with my pigment paints that I have mixed up, and I've got another board. This is a new one, and I've covered it in white. And then again, the colors that I'm using are the dark brown oxide, the orange oxide, the neon yellow, and the neon orange. Come on, focus. Nope, not gonna do it. I don't know what's going on with my autofocus, but oh, almost. Anyway, so I'm doing a kind of a Dutch pour. I still don't have a blow dryer. I have ordered one. And what I'll probably do, of course, is put the new one in my bathroom and pull the old one out of my bathroom. But it might not get delivered until the end of the month. I don't know that I want to go without a blow dryer for that long. Because I'm sure, like, look at what a mess I've made already. I get paint on everything. I just had this cleaned and now it's all covered in paint again. Anyway, let's pop some bubbles. And then let's lay down some paint. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put a little bit thicker on than I did on the last one. I might do 2 lines back and forth of each color. And then I'm not going to flood again, but I am going to blow it out. So I want to get going before this all gets too dry and set in its way. I thinned this down a bit, so it should pour a little better. Well, still got a few big blobs, but I didn't get enough last time. Enough paint, I didn't think. I thought I had a little bit too much white and could have used a little more color, so I'm going to try with a little more color this time. Again, these pigments turned out quite nicely. And they're mixed with, of course, my, what did I mix them with? I mixed them with that pearlescent, that Sargent pearlescent pearl mixing medium, and then my pouring medium, which at that time was Floetrol and water, mixed 50-50. I have mixed up a new pouring medium. I'm back to basic white glue and water, again, mixed at about 50-50. I haven't used it yet. We'll see. The one thing that I liked about the Floetrol, and that's what's in my base paint, is it really levels out nicely. So we'll have to see once I switch my base paint over, which I've got a little bit left, enough for a few more paintings. But once I switch that over to my new house paint, it'll be interesting because I'll be mixing that with my glue and water pouring medium. Orange oxide. And if you remember, these are from pigments that are in these little jars that I have no idea where I bought them from. I got them several years ago when I was making soap. I wonder if I could go back in my, I don't know if I ordered them through Amazon or if I ordered them through a soap making supplier. So okay, maybe I'll flood it down the middle. What do you think of that? This is a little bit thicker, I think, than my base paint. But yeah, I think that will And my blower is actually attached because it's charging. I'm just gonna, oh, look at that. Are you done? How's that for timing? It just finished. Alrighty, I'm going to try just blowing some of this white and out and over. And let's go some the other way. So I should have started in the middle, eh? My color out of the middle. I need a little bit in the middle, don't I? See if we can't get something to come up. Getting a few low spots here as well, so we want to put paint into them. But that is just delightful. Oh my goodness, I never thought I would like those colors, but I actually really kind of do. Oh, I got a little bit too much of the bright orange right here. Okay, mute that out a little bit. Definitely need to pop some bubbles. They are coming up like mad. And now I don't have any kind of silicone or anything in any of this paint. It's, as you know, it's the first time I've worked with the pigments. The colors sure are pretty, aren't they? More. I do think I need to stretch a little bit. Well, no, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for about 5 minutes and see how this levels itself out. And then if it hasn't leveled itself out, I will stretch it a little bit because I do have, like I can see, I've got a few shallow spots here and I don't want them to turn into great big divots like I had in my cute little avalanche painting. You'll remember it a couple videos back. Actually, I think the last video is where I repoured it using these.